Hi, so I'm going to walk you through how to work through Prep Academy in the best and smartest way. When you get to the home page, which is where we are now, you're going to click on Course Materials. From there, Course Materials is going to take you to the table of contents. As you work through the course, there's going to be a whole lot more information than there is right now. Right now, all you can see is the orientation module. So what we want to do is get the orientation module completely out of the way so we can see the next module. For each assignment, you want to click on and view or read or watch or whatever it's requiring you to do. Watch that, learn from it, and then you're going to click on the next thing and read, watch, understand, whatever it's requiring you to do. Every time you do that, you're going to change the dot into a check mark. You have to change all of the dots to check marks to be able to move to the next module, okay? So for this third one, this one right here are the instructions for your first writing assignment, which is a very low stakes, very easy to do introductory letter in which you introduce yourself to me and to Vivian, your other professor. And this is where you turn that letter in, okay? So this is the refresher instructions to remind you of what questions you're trying to answer. And then right here is where you click upload. After you've written your letter, you save it as a Word document. If you're working on a Mac computer, try to save it as a Word document, and if you can't do that, save it as a PDF, because eCourseware doesn't recognize pages, so that's just something you want to keep in mind. So let's say I've got my intro letter saved, and I'm going to click on the document that I saved it as, and it says upload. If you need to leave any comments for your instructor, this is where you do it, and then you click submit to Dropbox. That is going to put your letter into the assignment Dropbox so that your instructors can go in and read it, okay? So you've now done, you've now done the first 3 things, and you've got check marks next to them. Anytime you see this icon, that means you have a Dropbox assignment. This is the last assignment in this first module, and it is the quiz that is about the Prep Academy agreement. If you see this question mark with quiz next to it, it means you're about to take a quiz on the reading material or video material that you just observed. For this first quiz, there's nothing to read or study. You're basically just affirming, you're answering yes to all of the questions in the quiz, okay? So you'll click on it, you'll start it, you'll do it. After you've done that quiz, the very next module will open up, and it'll be positioned right here underneath Prep Academy Orientation. A couple of other quick things I want to show you. Up at the top of your screen, you have these icons. This is going to be where you check your email, your eCourseware email. If you have a little dot, that means you have an email. The same goes for here. If you have a little dot here, you should always check and see what it says. However, it's really important that you, regardless of what is up here telling you what to do next, the most important thing to do is always go to Course Materials and follow that table of contents and work your way from the top of the class to the bottom and work in order. Okay? Thanks.